Okay, so we just left Grand Mile and we're just heading up the west coast of Grenada. As usual, not much wind. We're kind of getting a couple of gusts between the mountains on the land. Other than that, it's pretty flat calm. So we're just motor sailing, got full Genoa, full main up. We're going to try and head up to Ronde Island, uninhabited island between Grenada and Carriacou. Been told there's a lot of good snorkeling around there, so hopefully we'll spend a couple of days there. We're well provisioned, lots of food, as you can see.
Slow and the wind blows, life is always shifting. As the sun hits the horizon, a new adventure is calling. With the wind in our sails, who knows where we are going? But the sails will take us there, we are home. We were born to be free, to set sail across the seas, to breathe in life with the ocean breeze, step into the unknown, into the unknown. Mike's just opened up the whole of the front. Check it out. The view is so much better. Whoa, look at this. Before, our view was pretty limited to sun-damaged screens, but now we can see everything. Okay, so we're making our route up towards this volcano. So this is actually it here in the middle. This is called Kikumjeni. And Kikumjeni is an active underwater volcano located about 8 kilometers north of the island of Grenada and about 8 kilometers west of Ronde Island. What makes it so dodgy to sail over these is that underwater volcanoes have the ability to let off large amounts of gas into the surrounding waters. These can happen at any time and are not always tied to a volcanic eruption. If the gas is large enough, it can actually reduce the density of the water, and ships on the surface will ride lower or even possibly sink. This boat in the distance is literally going right over Kikumjeni right now. So risky, but I mean, hey. Whatever floats your boat, right? Or doesn't, maybe. We're glad to know that in the distance, just over there, the boat did make it. It didn't sink. Okay, so we've just arrived at Ronde Island and it's beautiful here, but it's so quiet and peaceful, and I kind of feel like if we raise our voices even slightly, I feel like we'll disturb the peace and quiet. Like, it is insanely quiet here. Very, very beautiful and chilled and relaxed and just so serene. Yeah. I think there's very many left. When you're in a beautiful anchorage and mosquitoes ruin it. They are huge here. Mike, quick! There's one by the door. There's one by the door. Look, he's here. He's here. Out here.
There's lots in here.
Look, he's there. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Look here. Whoa, there's two. Two coming towards the door.
Oh, there's a dead one. There's 2 dead ones up here now. Fantastic. There's 3 dead ones up here. Come look at the massacre up here.
This is literally just the ones that we've just picked up from inside. I have never seen anything like this. There are so many mosquitoes, it's unreal. Like, we've just had a huge battle between man and mosquito. I think mosquito are still winning, like, we've just, oh my god. We had the mosquito bat out, we had the old school fly swapper out, we had spray, we literally, oh god. We are finding dead mosquitoes all over the boat. It's insane, like it's absolutely insane. And they're massive too. Rond Island is a beautiful anchorage, but beware. Beware the mosquitoes. It hasn't been that bad the last couple of nights, but I think that's because it's been windy and the wind has just stopped tonight and they are out for the attack. In full force. How many I missed? Oh my god. Mike is still finding these little buggers everywhere. Look, there's one there as well. Sound of sailing.
Adios, Diamond Island. Hello, the big blue. So we got a little island here called White Island. Super beautiful beaches, I gotta say, but slightly dodgy anchorages for us because you can anchor on the side here, but you've got to be right on the edge of the reef. You can drop in like 5 meters of water, but then you got shallow reef. Did just have a look at this little anchorage in here. This is Saline Island. Again, you can see the sand, that's like 2 meters, that's literally our full draft. So again, we can anchor on the edge, but at the moment the wind is probably going to blow us into the bay, so probably not the best. So we're going to head back out and check out on the other side of White and see if we can drop a hook in there.
Okay, so this place is beautiful, like so beautiful. Behind me we have Karaku, and then we're actually anchored on a tiny little island called White Island. And you can see why it's called White Island. Like the beaches are just, the little beach is just insane. We're just going to spend our night looking this way, even though Karaku is absolutely just as beautiful, but this is just surreal, like so beautiful. So yeah, as long as she stays put, because we're in quite a shallow area where if we got swung the wrong way we could hit potentially into a reef. So we do just have to check and keep an eye out to make sure, but if all goes well, it's a beautiful spot. want to be free. She said, sail across